Salut everyone, non pa mse Chalanka Charles, mwen habite au Cap Haïtien. Mwen kontan patisipe nan show ke Koze Muzik mette sou pied ki rele Metalan.
I love you, Lord, for your mercy never fails me. All my days I've been held in your hands. From the moment that I wake up until I lay my head, I will sing of the goodness of God. Through my life you have been faithful. Through my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. I love your voice. You have led me through the fire and the darkest nights. You are close like no other. I know you as a father. I know you as a friend. I have lived in the goodness of God. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. Your goodness is all enough, is all enough to me. Your goodness is all enough, is all enough to me. All my life laid down, I surrender now, I give you everything. Your goodness is all enough to me. Your goodness is all enough to me. Your goodness is all enough to me. All my life laid down, I surrender now, I give you everything. Your goodness is all enough to me. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, I will sing of the goodness of God. And all my life you have been faithful. And all my life you have been so good. With every breath that I am able, oh how we sing of the goodness of